Now that we have our outer shape of the picture frame, we're ready to cut the middle. We start by cutting the middle of the picture frame with a sharp object. I'm using an X-acto knife, and I just make a mark in the middle big enough so that I can put my scissor inside and then start cutting around, getting close to the edges. It's very important that when you do this step, you don't go over the line that you made, the outline of the actual picture you're going to be using. The reason is because you're going to have a space around the picture if you go over that line. So you want the picture to fit inside this square, even if the picture fits a little bit inside and it hangs over the cardboard actually hangs over the picture. That's not a problem. It's much better than to have too big of a hole in the middle and have a space going around the outside of the picture. So try and keep it so that you have just a little bit within the line. And the easiest thing to do is just keep making headway around to the edges of the picture frame, of where the picture is going to sit, and just cut away pieces and keep going closer and closer to the edge, so that until you get it to where you want it, and that the picture will be sitting a little bit inside. We see that by starting in the middle and working our way outwards, we have much more control over the cuts that we're making, and as we approach the outer edge, we have control as to how far to go and not go over that line. Now the edges that we make should be nice and smooth, because it is going to be visible with the picture underneath. You're going to see the cuts that you've made. So it should be nice, smooth cuts, and the picture should fit nicely inside without any spaces around it. And of course it's going to be put onto a backing, a second piece of cardboard, so it's going to be much more stable. But we shouldn't have any spaces going around the picture. So now I've shown you how to cut the middle of the picture frame and create our picture frame border.